Hey Wolfpack, my name is Kaylin and I'm a wellness assistant with Wellness and Recreation. We all know that the holidays are going to look a little bit different this year, so let's talk about how to make the most of them. First off, reach out to people. Everyone will be feeling a little bit lonely in these times, so connecting with friends and family is a great way to keep spirits up. Try scheduling weekly Zooms and making it a game, a trivia, or an art night for a little extra fun. You can also try calling someone while you go on a walk or sending letters in the mail. I know it's a little old-fashioned, but I always enjoy receiving a letter. It's also important to keep up with or start your healthy habits by building things like sleep, movement, self-care, and cooking into your day. Keeping a sleep and exercise schedule is a great way to fight off depression. 7 to 9 hours of sleep can increase your mood and improves your immune system. Creating a schedule is also a great way to add some structure into our lives that are very unstructured right now. It's important when you're building your schedule to include time for things that you enjoy, either keeping up with old hobbies or starting new ones. I know during the semester when things get busy, I always stop doing some of the things that I love, but this is the perfect time to pick those things back up. I personally love art and music, so I plan to use this holiday time to create things for others. Using your hobbies to make gifts is a great way to encourage your creativity, express yourself, and show your appreciation for others. Another option is learning something new. Read a book or listen to a podcast about a topic that interests you. You never know, you may just find a new passion. Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and YouTube are great for resources for podcasts, and Audible is a great place to find audiobooks. Another option is reconnecting with old traditions or creating new ones. I know that decorating for the holidays is a fun activity that many of our families and friends do every year, and just because we're having less visitors this year doesn't mean you should forego it. If decorating is part of your self-care routine, make sure it happens, and take pictures of your work to share with the people you care about. Lastly, give back by volunteering. There are tons of organizations that need volunteers and assistance, especially during the holiday season, to meet the needs of the community. If you're near campus, our Feed the Pack Pantry is a great place to give back to the Wolfpack community. I hope that these tips will help you make the most of your holiday season. Thanks for watching. Stay well, Wolfpack, and happy holidays.